guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing a Sanrio loot crate, and I want to give a big thank you to Sanrio loot crate who gave this to me for free to review. And if you want to save 15% off your loot crate order, make sure to use the code Marie15, and as an affiliate I do earn from qualifying purchases.
Which one are we going to have?
I don't know, we'll find out. Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Looks like there's free stuff just enough for all three people.
Oh, this shirt is so adorable. It looks like it has a constellation theme with various characters on it. So cute. You do provide your shirt size when you sign up for the loot crate, so they know what size to send you.
All around. There should be a cock-a-doodle-doo. A dog like his room. Well, maybe.
Oh,
it's so soft.
I think this is probably everyone's favorite item in the box. This is such a cute Kiki and Lala cloud pillow.
Can I have that pillow for me, doll? That's a good pillow for me.
Cute. I love how it has the purple outline and the pastel colors are so pretty. It looks perfect on my chair. Tell me what you think about the pillow.
It's good.
It's good? Why?
If we are going on a camp, I could bring this to a camp and food.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You show this? I'm hanging on my bag.
So previously when I got Loot Crate, they would always include a little patch, but it looks like they've switched over to these mini charms, which are so adorable. This kind of reminds me of the little charm that they used to put on your Sanrio bag when you bought something at the old Sanrio stores. Sienna said that this was her favorite item in the box. So next up we have a pair of Kawaii socks, and these are kind of like knee-high socks. I'll try them on in a minute so you guys can see what they look like on.
Okay. Is that a sock? Yeah.
Yeah, these look like socks.
Got it right. Yes.
I like how these socks have all of these different characters on them, like Hello Kitty, and then they have little twin stars and My Melody, and they have this constellation design. So I wear a size 7.5 or 8, and the heel on this went up way beyond my heel. So these are made for people with large feet, which is very different from the socks that you will get in Korea, but these are still really cute.
Toothbrush holder. Oh, it's so pretty. I might just use that to drink water if I don't mind.
You could use it for pencils and stuff too.
Show me that. Let me get out of there. I don't know what's in there. Where's it for that? Oh, it's glass. Is it glass?
I don't think so.
I was going to say try dropping it on the floor, then I figured that was a bad idea. But before I thought to myself, I thought it was crazy. We can't use this for our cafe. It looks so pretty.
Okay.
We could put some fancy spoons and forks in there that we could use in the cafe instead of needing to go over there and get it in the middle of the same table.
This looks like a little
Paper clip.
No, maybe it's more of like a bookmark. So they also give you this thing which kind of doubles as a poster, and on the back it explains in detail what everything is, and it looks like everything that you receive in this Loot Crate box is exclusive, so you can't really buy it anywhere else. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite item was in this box. I like the pillow. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out these other playlists right here and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. As always, I want to give a big thank you and shout out to my Patreons and channel members. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!